Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I want to convey I, Vedapriya, eradicated COVID 19 plague as of January 25th, 2021. So it can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion using direct deposit can help me to take care of my basic essentials. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created tax mandate COVID 19 type adverse marriage types, as in domestic partners or living together or getting pregnant out of wedlock process model. And it is also was created only for the tax mandate. Okay, so the innocent civilians never knew. So they thought that okay, um, domestic partners means there is no any rituals or nothing of that sort, right? So they just get into the relationship and they just live together. That means they do not even have to worry about spending for the wedding cost or wedding rituals, like that. So on that end, that is saving. That is a savings for them. But on the other side, it is like it's not healthy, right? Because God into Christianity is not full God. When he said, when there's only one simplest law. It's not very fancy. I mean, it's not rocket science, the true Christianity, and it's very simplest way of living, and that is clean love. That's all. And only one law in true Christianity, and that is only holy marriage law. That is all. That is all is the entire holy book, holy Bible book. It's all about. All the way from the first verse to the last verse, word by word, it's all about only holy Bible. But then it's all written in lots of hidden puzzles behind the scenes, meaning only a clean hearted person only can even decode those puzzles, the hidden puzzles, correctly. Because what if people are going to interpret or and then communicate it in the wrong way to the population? Then that will create a disaster. But sadly, that is what is happening. That is why all the Christian evangelist population are handcuffed mode, right? Because they were all destroying the fellow mankind's brain nerves with wrong information, with whatever predictions they understood, because they could not understood it correctly, and they could even tweak and add on or add ins, accordingly here and there to the Bible verses according to their likings, and then they were fooling the fellow mankind. That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. But that's what is happening worldwide. Right? So that is why total Christian evangelist population are handcuffed mode. They all have to go to the jail only. They can say, oh no, we have been only saying praise the Lord, hallelujah, hallelujah, and we have been singing, we have been providing only messages after messages for the fellow mankind. I will say, go in jail. And they should be thankful that I'm not saying them to get into the volcano and get lost and to be in ashes, right? Because innocence is identified. But beyond that innocence part, just being foolish alone, they provide a total disaster to the total Christian population in the name of God, right? Only in the name of God, only they provided all the destruction. So that is not right. And I am the very first human in whole entire planet Earth, in entire human kingdom. That means 7.9 plus billions of humans was shocked. Why? I told the late church pastor or the Christian evangelist Billy Graham, he's a false prophet. And entire human kingdom were in total shock. Because why? According to the Christianity, he's an evangelist, but he's not, because he was providing only all whatever that is wrong according to his understanding, but he understood everything wrong. See, once when a civilian understood anything of that is complex is wrong, then whatever interpretation or whatever education that's going to be provided will be wrong. And that is what Billy Graham provided. and he earned $1 trillion out of it. He became wealthy only because of that. Just because he had to do only talk, and then he had to ingest all wrong things, right? And that's how he became richest. So, other than in United States alone, even the telling the word of God and trying to reach out to the people and communicating the word of God to the population is also became a business. It's a business after all. In United States, America, and across the worldwide, it's a business. So they made it a business. That is wrong. That's not how it should be, right? When people have to listen to the God's word, it has to be in a very user-friendly, layman level way, right? But these Christian evangelists, they had their own set of standards according to their own designed, customized, tailored way of talking, right? And they were portraying, displaying to the population that they are the only holy God, like that, right? But then behind the scenes, it's not. And they proved that they are providing all wrong information to the worldwide. And I have the bulletproof, which I will explain to you later. Right? But there is an innocence that is displayed as well. So, this testimony, this civil justice sign off is all about what? Domestic partners living together or getting pregnant out of wedlock. So, tell me, for how long Billy Graham, who is a devout or a very strong traditional values follower Republican, is a pure Republican, right? He's late evangelist Billy Graham. Everybody would have known in the Christianity side, on the Christian world side, they would have known him, right? So, why on the earth he never even bothered to educate the US government to ban that domestic partners? It's an unhealthy way of lifestyle, right? That's not right. But then, why? So, can you all see how I'm proving with the fireproof? And why I'm slapping the entire Christian population left and right, and they are about to run away from my just trying to I'm absolutely positive each and every single Christian civilian in the Christian population should be only trying to run to hide from me. But from the justice services, when people are in the court of law, nobody can escape the judgment day, right? I can simply ask all the Christian population, tell them, so thank you for all the services you provided in the Christianity, having the Christianity tag. Just get out of the earth. Nobody will ask me why, right? He made a lot of wealth out of being a Christian evangelist. But then he never even bothered to step in and educate the US government to ban the domestic partners' disability, right? They are innocent people after all. One side innocence, one side the innocence means what? When fellow mankind never knows the unhealthy lifestyle is unhealthy, then that is itself is a disability, right? So they are thinking, okay, living together as a domestic partners is okay, is a healthy lifestyle, that's fine, means that itself is a disability. They are innocent population. So nobody can mock nobody, right? When already people who are in the married state are in a pathetic, they are the worst pathetic mode, right? And they cannot even dare enough to think to, even in the dream, to mock any of the domestic partners or living together population, or get people who got pregnant out of wedlock population. No, they cannot. They are absolutely innocent population, right? But sadly, what is the reality and the truth? They have been enforced and mandated, and the circumstances is created according to that situation, meaning people becomes dependent mode, crippled mode. They cannot escape that situation mode. They have to go with that mode, and that situation. Everything, it's all created by Pope Francis. Why? Tax mandate. He can create tax. He can say the nations that are having domestic partners, disabled population, pay tax. So can you all see every human operation, even on the down to level, on the emotional level, on the feelings level, he destroyed every innocent population's life, precious life worldwide. And these innocent population, they never even knows that they are getting into trap. They are falling in the trap of the scandal of the Vatican, right? Because having free sex is a norm in Europe nations, and it's been spread like the wildfires, like a cancer everywhere across the globe. It's become a norm every day nowadays. But then, can you see there's an innocent part? They don't even know that having free sex is not it's not healthy, right? There is a reason behind it when I'm saying it's not healthy, right? And it's not a true love at all. No, it's not a clean love, right? A man, a woman, loving clean has its own classification and definitions and prerequisites, everything, because it all comes under the holy marriage mandate, law mandate, prerequisites given by God. And God is not fool. When there is an instruction provided in the Holy Bible on how a man and a woman should get married in the holy marriage law, there are a lot of prerequisites that needs to be followed. But then, on the other end, in the Holy Bible, it never even provided, oh, this is how that holy marriage ritual should be. No. Got it? So, yes, there is layers of scandal and scandal. Even the marriage rituals was also created for tax mandate. Got it? So people thought, okay, the rituals is so looking so good, sounds good. Why can't we have those rituals, right? But then even those rituals were also mandated and created only for tax mandate purpose. So there is that another highest level of scandal. But what I am talking about is all about the clean love. It's called as virgin love, right? Innocent love. That is how a man should love a woman, and that's how a woman should love a man, right? That is how God created the heaven to be, for the humans to live in the peaceful mode, right? There are so that means by default, a man and a woman, in order to get married, there are some constraints, there are some conditional God has provided, and it is not it's not a rocket science at all, right? People don't even have to take any training. I already educated. Nobody can teach how peers or the fellow mankind to love or hate fellow mankind, right? It's all created on the fly mode, meaning it's all everything created by God is it's healthiest. So that means even the love feeling that is created between a man and a woman, right? It is all created by God. So what is the basic prerequisite that needs to be provided in the holy marriage covenant? The man and the women in love should be, within double quotes, you can underline it and bold it, should be true friends forever. That is all. It's the simplest, right? Why? 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 There are, okay, other than true friends, there are other friend categories, but they are all unhealthy, right? Fake friends. They are fake friends, they are backstabbers, they laugh in front of you and provide lot of havoc and disaster behind you, right? They backbite. So these are all the unhealthy people. But they wear a mask. They use the friend as a mask, as a pathway, as a gateway to get into the relationship in a toxic mode. They provide emotional manipulation, right, in a cunning way, and then they provide the other fellow mankind to fall in the trap. So there is that healthy love processing and unhealthy love processing. So we are not talking about the unhealthy processing here, because we all know that is there is an innocence part. When people are not able to love clean love, then they are disabled population after all, right? And I already explained already to you all how it is all classified as all foolish people are classified as a leprosy patients, meaning the human nerve is disconnected, chopped off, and the inhuman nerve from the hate database gets activated. And that is how people can even provide the fake love and the backstabbing process and can hurt people. So, and then in that scandal, in that whole entire scandal, they use that love is the gateway, right? Because any civilian, if you go and ask the whole total population, right? Even the abusive population as well, I'm talking about them as well. When it is coming to the word love, people just bow to that love, right? Because everybody knows that love is a holy, because it's so clean, pure, right? That is what love is, always standing out on the crowd, the true love. It's called as true love. But then, how can they want to, how they can fool or manipulate a fellow mankind? They can wear that as a mask in the name of love, right? It is same as in the name of God. So in the name of God, there's a blush, the religious abuse has been provided. So in the same way, the same process, in order to torture the fellow mankind on an emotional level, on a feeling hurts level, right? And memory torture level. So they use that love as a tool to destroy the human brain nerves for fellow mankind. So there again, because each individual civilians having their own different way of processing the human brain, it is different, it varies how people handle the pain, how people handle the breakup between the love relationships, right? And hurt feelings, everything. It can be backstabbing or brain shock, and it differs from person to person. For some people, they can handle it in a healthy way. For some people, they cannot. So, so that means how they have been fooled. They have been fooled. Oh no, these people who are providing this wedding rituals, they are fools. We can save a ton of money out of that. We can live without getting married. I mean, meaning living together is called as a domestic partners, right? And even getting pregnant out of wedlock, they don't really care. But then beyond that innocence part of it, what they forgot is they do not get any of the roles, meaning the roles that the people are going to get in the holy marriage covenant process model is holy roles, right? So it means mother-in-law, and then father-in-law, then you can also address that as a mom-in-law or a dad-in-law, then the siblings, right? They all becomes either brother-in-laws or sister-in-laws. See, can you see how it's all the holy roles that's been created by the God? It's all for a reason, because everything is tagged with the two friends process model. That is why on the basic foundation level itself, when two strangers, they are one way or the other, they are going to meet somewhere in the earth, right? In the true love creation process. And initially they'll be only as a strangers only, right? But then it is just not going to be only between the two people. It is please bear with me if it's going to be longer session for this, but it's also all these are related to the sign off of the civil justice which I'm providing, which is very crucial, right? Because these are all considered as the national operations, but everything is broken, so we need to fix it. I only can fix it, right? So that's why I'm explaining this. So nothing of my labor is not wasted. Okay, you all have to know about that. So tell me. So those are the they gain those innocent love, right? They're getting the extended family, the from the birth family to the in-laws family, even being totally different. How the true love is being displayed means a woman loving a man truly loves the entire family of that man in love, right? In clean love only. And it is the same on the man's side too. When a man loves truly a woman, the man loves entire family of the woman. See, that is why true love processing is in true Christianity is standalone, and it is exclusively created only by God. That is why it is holy. That whole entire relationship between a man and a woman is holy, right? So there are some constraints, and there are some disciplining process, and everything provided by God. It's all for a reason, because when people are going against that whatever God provided instructions, then that is where the people have to enforce to live with whatever unhealthy injustice or whatever pain and agony that comes resulted with the unhealthy choices, right? So, and beyond that, okay, these are all the highest level with which God gave the law. And but in Holy Bible, it never ever says anywhere that this is how you man should love, this is how the women should love a man, or this is how people to get married. No, it never provides, it never enforces the civilians to do this way, that way, only then like this. No, it is a basic baseline guidelines. That's all. Okay, it can, Holy Bible can only provide basic guidelines. That is all it can provide to the any civilians. But beyond that, it is going to be always the individual's choices. So that is where the true love part comes, right? So that means when a woman truly loves a man in clean love, absolutely will mandate the holy marriage law process. That goes without telling, right? And it is the same for the man in love with the woman as well. So that means when they are choosing this domestic partner's lifestyle and living out of wedlock mode, right? Getting pregnant out of wedlock mode, then there is no clean love. There is a polluted love, right? It's a fake love. That means both the man and the women, they never loved each other truly, right? So in that entire life cycle, who is the one that is the highest wisest that can only guide, even if any of the two of the people, yeah, okay, let's say if the man is wanting to have out of wedlock unhealthy choices lifestyle, always a women is a guide, right? Because double innocent is who, always forever, women. So that means in that gender level itself, okay, in the gender level, man is what, always innocent forever, okay, and women is double innocent. So in that life cycle, in the on the gender basis, when when the civilians yield to sexual immorality, who becomes more evil? Is it man or women? Always women, okay. And we have the life proof, right? We all are seeing in our own eyes that Queen of England, Elizabeth, how evil she is. And what is the tag she has? 70 plus years of love marriage, right? Can you all see that how I'm proving that on the micro level, on even on the gender level, how we can easily identify who becomes evil the most, right? You all know that. So that means the default man is also at fault, right? Because a mirror of a man is a woman, right? A true man can be seen only through a true woman, right? So all these wisdom education is not provided to the population correctly. So the medical services, they failed in their job. They should have provided this healthy education to the population, not today. Just because I'm education, they should not step in. Oh, we are doctors. Only we can only educate, but they never did their job, right? They are the foolish, cunning people. Just because they want to eat the tax dollars of the fellow mankind, they only sign the domestic partners, and the living together is the healthiest one. So today everything got crashed. USA government operations got crashed in pieces. And what are they going to say? What are the Harvard law school or Harvard medical school is going to say? I will say go to jail. Just go to jail and live there for a while until I ask you all to get out of the jail. Meaning, I'm just saying, but I will not even do that because I just want all the abusive population to live free. That is the excellent civil justice that I can sign off. Right? Because when people are abusive, they have to provide their do-it-yourself project, and they themselves have to get healed from their abusive disease, leprosy disease. It's not my job. Why should a nation even have to waste dollars, budget, providing prison facility? No, that's all too much of a labor, right? No. Abusive people should know how they have to get themselves healed. And then there is a God's labor who will just step in, and God will heal that abusive disease in God's time. Right? So can you all see what is the true crime all behind in the layers? When people are getting into the out of wedlock mode, just living together mode, they are initially providing what? On the highest level, upfront level, they are displaying that they did not love each other truly, right? It is a fake love. Then they are on top of it, when they are going to live like that forever, they are losing all the other healthy roles, right? That being a husband and being a wife and being, all the other roles, sister-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, brother-in-law, co-brothers, co-sisters, uncle, aunts, right? Niece, nephews. So, so at what cost they are choosing this unhealthy choice? It's all individual choices only. Government and the nation, even I do not have any birthright to ask the civilians to choose their lifestyle. It is their choices only. I already said, even Holy Bible also never forces anybody. It has to be their choices only, absolutely, for that matter, because it is their life. Who am I to say you have to be in this? But at least what I can do as a true civil doctor, I can hope when entire population are mocking and bullying all the living together population, because it's an unhealthy choice, right? So nobody will like it, right? The wisest people will not like it, right? I do not like that lifestyle. But then, as a true civil doctor, I know those are the innocent population patients, and I have to provide the healthy wisdom medical services. So, at the cost of being mocked, I will only say, hey, if anybody want to mock government, nation, just mock me. I can handle it. Just stop mocking any of those, any of the domestic partners or the living together population, or the population who got pregnant out of wedlock. Just do not mock them. Just do not stop it. Right? They are innocent people. They are the holiest people after all, because they don't know what they're doing. Once when population don't know, civilians don't know what they're doing, the innocence is displayed up front. When civilian don't know having free sex is unhealthy choice, it's a fake love, right? The illusion way of living, then there is innocence is displayed up front. So I will absolutely, at the cost of being mocked and being hated, I will just run side by side with them, with the entire domestic partners population, holding hands with them, and I will guide them only in the wisdom ways. This is me. It's okay if people are going to hate me or mock me, right? So that is how a true civil doctor will guide all the population in the rightful pathways. Nobody is left behind in the when wisdom pathways is provided, right? Why should I even have to discriminate the innocent population? They are the holiest population. But how the society sees them? You all tell me. You all keep your hands in your hearts. Tell me, are the people who are in married state population better, or the domestic partner population better? You tell me. We all know that they are living in an illusion, right? When people are getting married to the wrong humans, boom, the entire marriage is invalid. So it nullifies, right? It meaning it validates, voids everything. It does not even matter anymore. Whether you get into the married ritual using those rituals, right? Either it will be wedding ring or wedding chain or whatever, and that is an emotional strain that is also enforced with it, right? And people tell, oh, if oh why you're not wearing your wedding ring, oh why you're not wearing your wedding chain, like that. And they people talk this that, and they'll cook up, they'll add more, add here and there, then I'll also add finally fancy fittings, right, for gossiping. And do internet is always there, the media is always there to provide all the filth, and they use those to abuse the people, each other, fight each other. Can you all see how innocent they are? That's the innocence of friend. When the people don't know the healthy choices, that itself is an innocent. They are disabled population, right? They are classified as a foolish leprosy patients because the healthy brain operation nerves are numbed. It's got disconnected, right? So how on the toppest, highest level, who destroyed those innocent populations' brain nerve cells? Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer. Yes, you all will be laughing one more time. Oh, this lady is always saying only Pope Francis for every single thing. But I have the proof, right? How did he manage even to fool these people with the domestic partners with a healthy lifestyle? How it is very tough, right, to teach a fellow mankind in an unhealthy way, because you have to ingest toxins as a unhealthy substance abuse. But how Pope Francis was able to in a cunning way, without the awareness itself, was able to do that destruction very successfully. How? They all, the spider web mode, they all joined hands across the globe, these absolute monarch Satans. And they were working on different ways of creating hell. So, France leader told that Statue of Liberty is a justice lady. Don't worry, USA, have this statue, and that itself will save the United States of America. That itself is an illusion. This USA nation is the very youngest nation, right? So on the vulnerable mode, already slave mode, right? Those are all the easily exploitable mode. And that is how the cunning people will round up and destroy a nation operation. So France took that as an opportunity, as per the Queen of England's instructions, as per the instructions of the Pope Francis. And beyond providing freedom of religion, what else they mandated with that Statue of Liberty? They mandated Christian education should be removed from the public schools. Why? When Christian education is provided, people will be guided in the wisdom ways, right? And they did not want the people to walk in the wisdom ways. They want these Islam and the Judaism, they are so evil and cunning, absolute. They are the definition of the cunning. Okay, they wanted the population to never get any education, never get any wisdom pathways. They all know, even non-Christian, everybody knows that when there's that Christian education is provided for a basic needs, basic essential needs, the people will be guided in the rightful pathway no matter what. right? And it's only providing only 1% of that help. That is all. In his entire lifetime of the human life cycle, only 1% or less only the Holy Bible provides the guidelines. And if you are going to look in the 100% of the total Christian population, it is my understanding. If it is wrong, just discard it, okay? It is my understanding. According to my understanding, the percentile wise, I can absolutely say at least 99.9% of the Christian population would not even bother to read the entire Bible from all the way from the first verse to the last verse. I've never read the Holy Bible fully. No. Right? And I've never even read, there are certain chapters which I've never even read in the Holy Bible. But there again, when I was working on the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project only, I came to know lot more truths, which I will reveal later, right? Because I do not want to confuse one with the other, right? For everything, Pope Francis is going to pay the price, and the price is what? 50,000, 500,000 trillion dollars, right? 500,000 trillion dollars. So he only created the pathway, the gateway, he provided the lanes, right? How the wise people have to walk in the foolish pathways. He provided the roadways, everything, road map, everything. So these people, these younger generation or the whatever generation they are, it does not even matter when they are choosing the lifestyle like this. They were thinking, oh, foolish in a foolish way, oh, living together is a healthy lifestyle. Who cares? Let's live like that. But that's not, right? Then what more is in the layer? Then when people are providing fake love, what else is they are displaying to the fellow mankind? They are not respecting, they are not honoring, right? They are not admiring, they are not adoring. These are all the qualities of a true love, right? When there is a true love and there's a clean love, always if you see the telltales, there's always telltale signs of a true love. There will be always honor and respect, right? They value the human relationships. And if you are going to see, these human relationships are never costly. They never have to pay. Nobody can buy out only true love, always forever. And that is known worldwide. Even abusive population also knows that, right? They know that in entire human kingdom, nobody can buy true love. Meaning they cannot throw dollars, they cannot buy the true love. That is it. Because that is why the true love is true love, always stands out in the crowd, and it has its highest standard of living. Everybody knows that. And what is the highest standard of living? Is it a rocket science? No. Does it need an education? No. Does it need any training? No. Does human have to say, oh, see, this is what is true love is, and this is the definition, and this is how we have to provide the true love, and this is how, like this? No, nobody can teach nobody. Even hate a fellow man, hate this fellow mankind. That also nobody can teach, because nobody have that birthright. And that love feeling, the true love feeling, it's all created by God only. That is why it is holy. The true love is holiest of any holy. It's because it's created by God. All the other love types which I'm talking and displaying, right? Because holy marriages types, the marriage, adverse marriage types I'm talking about is all coming under the sub-classification of love, unhealthy love types, right? So there is a fake love part of it, meaning people wear the mask because they want to. There are different types of the love, right? And one-sided love and unrequited love, rejected love and breakup. Why would people even get into the love relationship to end up in breakup, right? So Pope Francis created those kind of circumstances enforced on the innocent population worldwide, daily, forever. It's been these process, the scandal has been there forever, right? Worldwide it is there. And with all this thing, there are other more prosecution where people cannot even express their free, clean love to the people in love with, right? So that is another emotional torture as well. So Pope Francis created all kind of a hell, all for tax mandate only. Can you all understand the destruction he provided with the fatal negligence? All these come under the fatal negligence after all. People should live free. When people are in love with fellow mankind, they should be able to express that in a clean way, not in an unhealthy way. But then, when unhealthy love types comes under the calculation, there are different varieties and sub-classifications, right? So why, when people are innocent, when people are born in clean love, when people can never hurt fellow mankind, how on the earth there are unhealthy relationships? This domestic partner comes under the classification of a domestic violence, unhealthy relationship, and because of that, what happens? And what more of a torture, crucifixion he provided to this innocent population? There are lot of in United States alone, I would say more than 50% are living together population only. It's a norm. For Europeans, having free sex is a way of life. It's a norm. I told that that's a way of the Babylon. That's how the Babylonians live. They really don't care about other people's feelings, right? They treat the men as a machine, sex machines, and men treat the women as a sex machines, and that is how the Babylonians, the Islam, Judaism world have been living all their entire life, forever. And it is known worldwide. And because of them, only the wisest population, the Christian population, have been prosecuted. I already said, if people are going to stand and lift the Holy Bible, and if they are going to tell to the Babylonians, hey, do not live this kind of sexually immoral life, they are going to provide the false prosecution and crucify just like that. And that they will indirectly tell to any other population, you are all seeing this crucifixion, right? So better be quiet, do not talk anything. That is how they provide. So that is why all the national leaders, they fear only one word: Pope Francis, the Roman king. He will kill everybody, right? At least he could have said upfront that he is not a pope, he is not a Christian, he is a paganist, he is an Islam, Judaism, and he lives a lawless life, right? And so he wants to have all the nations to be lawless. That at least that would have provided some kind of a to live free more. But he never did that too. He wanted to provide false prosecution to this innocent population who are never got married and living together mode population, right? And false shame, false prosecution, false guilt is being stamped on their forehead. Right? They all have to feel as if they are the unfit population in the entire earth mode. So that is not right. They are innocent, they are talented, but then they have been enforced to be fallen into the trap in that kind of a situation. Right? And that is wrong. And beyond that, what happens? Okay, when they are living together, there are very many chances for them the domestic partners to become pregnant out of wedlock. Right, and then the same cunning, evil Satan, Pope Francis, who must be in volcano any second, he even provided one more layer of help for those people. Just because they never got married, if the man or the woman living in a domestic partner relationship, if they are going to get pregnant out of wedlock, then there again another layer of child custody scandal all created for the tax mandate process. So there again it is the men get slaughtered in a different versions. In all these marriage types Pope Francis created, who is slaughtered? Who is crucified? Is it men or women? Men is the wisdom. Got it? So that means it defaults two women, but then it's men. Bottom line, it's men, because women are the representatives of the men, so that they are the womb of the men. They are extended version of the men. That means there should be only one gender in the entire national operations. There should not be even male or a female or a transgender, right? So there should be only one gender. That means that is men, man. So that is another puzzle of the Holy Bible. If you see, God created man. God created man in God's image. So that means that itself provides a lot of confusion, right? Oh, is the Christianity providing gender inequality between a man and a woman? Like that, people will get confused, right? Even for me, it confuse, because we all have only the dummy brains, right? Oh, because we see, all we know is there are two genders. Even in the animal kingdom, in the plant kingdom, there are two genders, male versus female. And there are healthy reproductive processing, right? So people get confused. But then, can you all see how, in an indirect way, it is the men population who are getting slaughtered when adverse marriage process is provided in different versions and variations, all in the name of love? You name it. Arranged marriage, men are slaughtered. Love marriage, men are slaughtered. Domestic partners, men are slaughtered. Right? Can you all see how the destructions have been provided in different variations and versions, and all the severity directly damages the human brain nerves, because the emotions wasted, the feelings wasted, and the labor provided with that building the relationship also wasted, right? And beyond the scenes, it's not a relationship always between two people. When the two strangers, a man and a woman, getting into that true love processing model, they are going to be super blessed with the extended family love too, right? So it is going to expand beyond and exponentially, because they're going to get married in the holy marriage constitution. It's called as government. Do you all know that why in true Christianity alone marriage is called as a holy marriage? Because it's holy government. It's a constitution. It's a covenant until coffin, right? Whether in being richest or poorest or anywhere in between, whether being healthy or unhealthy. That is why the so-called healthy enough people getting married to the disabled population is also the individual's choice only. And you all know that there are how many healthy people getting married to the disabled population worldwide. Disabled means there are different varieties, I told you. That there are physically disabled, there are so many disabled varieties, right? So then it's again boils up to the traces to the each individual's choices. So he created these domestic partners for a scandal for tax mandate. So people were thinking it is a healthiest process model, when it is not. And each and every single men worldwide, they got fooled, and they are innocent only. See, when they are innocent, double innocent means you're double wisest. Innocent means then wisdom is less wisdom, right? So that is why they all got slaughtered. They were thinking, oh, free sex means that is really cool, sounds good, but then they are the ones who are becoming the victims in this whole entire scandal of the adverse marriage life cycle processing. That should not be even provided at the first place. A nation should never ever have, forever, should never have any domestic partner lifestyle in a nation. That nation, as of today, is a foolish nation. A wisest and healthiest nation should say, hey, in our nation, do you know that our civilians are very wisest, They only fall in love, create in true love, clean love, virgin love, innocent love, naive love. And they only will get married in a mandating the holy marriage law. And only when they are aware that they are in very mental health, excellent mental health to get into the holy marriage covenant, only then they will even get into the married. That's how wisest our people are. Means then the population will be running towards that nation only, because that is a wisdom, that is a super heaven. But then, if you are going to look into any nation, go name count by count. Be it India, be it China, be it Japan, be it Hong Kong, be it London, Scotland, Ireland, and USA, how many dollars they are spending on the robots, right? The software world, service products. But they never even bother to educate the population in the rightful way, right? And because of that, the destruction provided to the innocent population is deadliest. And who are the sufferers in this whole entire scandal? Men. So it's never a shame to women, right? Because women are always double innocent. So whatever destruction done to the women is never a shame to women, be it divorced or single moms, right? It can be any category. Adverse, as in Las Vegas, Sin City, nightclubs, strip clubs, you name it, anything. So each and every of those organizations was also mandated by Pope Francis for the tax mandate only. So all for the fanatic love of crown, all for the fanatic love of dollars, only they destroyed the basic humanity feelings and the emotions level. They destroyed. Right? That is not right. That is absolutely wrong. That's absolutely wrong. A nation should never ever have any free sex or any domestic partners kind of a unhealthy lifestyle, because it is absolutely destroying and slaughtering men. But then, how it's all tracing to the Roman king empire Herod. He is the one who created, he established and Islam, Judaism to destroy only through Christianity, right? There's a whole lot of history behind it. There's a whole lot of big story behind it. I'm going to explain everything later on. So what did he pledged in his rule? And who is that Roman king Herod as of today? Egypt king and the Roman king. Egypt empire got collapsed, and only then that became transitioned as the Roman empire. That's all. So who is the Egypt king as of today? If we all are in same page, you all must be able to answer correctly. And yes, it is Pope Francis the Satan. He is the Egypt and the Roman king. He is a Babylonian. Right? So that is why he misguided the civilians. Why otherwise? Why would he? If he is a true Christian, he would have not misguided the population in an unhealthy way, right? And he created torture in a torture life cycle. Means one layer there will be torture, and second layer also will be a torture. People were thinking domestic violence, domestic partners lifestyle is a healthy lifestyle, but they don't. The people, innocent population, they never even knows how much of trap has been weaved and provided in that lifestyle. So once when they get into that unhealthy lifestyle mode, then their eyes are going to get blinded forever. I already said that. And Roman King Herod, he pledged that first sons of all the Israelites will be slaughtered, and that is the baseline for every classification of hell created. And he named it, called as a tax mandate law. Got it? For everything there's a trace. We all traced it. See, a healthy processing as a affordable, measurable, traceable processing. That is how we can figure out what is the root cause and what is the risk and what is the assumptions, and how we can provide the risk mitigation process, right? And we can eliminate all the risk factors. See, when we remove all the risk factors and what are the unhealthy sources, then if you're going to see, all healthy choices only will be there, right? So younger generation as of now who are living, they should never even know there's a word called domestic partners or free sex or living together without getting married and becoming pregnant out of wedlock. But then saddest part is, in all the education facilities, right? These doctors only provide all the birth control drugs freely to the thing. Oh, have free sex, who cares? Dear younger generation means the Pope Francis never stopped with hurting the adult generation population. He even targeted the innocent, very very innocent, absolute younger generation also, right? And if you're all going to go to the colleges, that's a filth everywhere, right? Absolute filth, all in the name of love, all in the name of friends. So people don't know what is friend, that is a confusion. They and then people do not know what is love. So all these scandal has been mandated by Pope just for tax mandate. So people never even know what is domestic violence, domestic partners lifestyle. And do you all know that, again, I want to provide one more testimony here. It's $1 trillion wisdom of education and revenue. I already provided to United States of America and all the nations already worldwide. I gave 5 years of deadline time. So I think we are almost in the target time and we still have the time. Almost, right? Then I provided all the domestic partners who are living out of wedlock without getting married, get married. It's okay. At least once, when people are aware of what is the wisdom ways and what is the wisdom pathways, just get married and live happily in an heaven mode. Means I am providing all the wisest choices available in an affordable, comprehensive way, right? Because once when people get yielded to the sexual immorality with or without their awareness, then everything gets in a destruction way, right? And the destruction is deadliest because their eyes will get blinded forever. They become foolish forever. So Pope Francis enforced the foolish to the civilians, means that itself is a separate crime that costs $500,000 trillion, separate crime that needs to be addressed, and we have to provide that claims billing also. I don't know how USA is going to pay, or I don't know how Pope Francis is going to pay. I will say let him get last first in the volcano in Hawaii, get fried in ashes. Why on the earth he even have to bother to destroy the innocent population in a wrongful way? He misguided every population, right? That is not right. Down to the emotional level of expressing love to the fellow mankind level, he destroyed everything. That is wrong. So, yes, civil justice must be provided, and yes, Vedapriya is the mouthpiece for entire total domestic partners living together population, entire single moms who got pregnant out of wedlock. I am going to stand in front of the entire population and I am going to get the medical compensation to them, count by count, and I am the mouthpiece for them. Right? I am born to save the world. They are absolutely innocent. The holiest population in the entire earth are the single moms only. Be it widow single moms, be it divorced single moms, be it out of wedlock single moms, right? And be it sex workers, single moms in the prostitution facilities. Holiest and holiest are those people only, the sex workers, single moms only, is the wisdom. But then the society mocks those people only without any awareness. Already people who are addressed themselves as healthy or not even healthy at the first place. People who are married in status, they should not be in the married mode. They have to run fastest and get the divorced immediately because they are living with the wrong people already, right? But then that part needs to be provided with the God's Holy Spirit and God's calling way, I would say. Right? Because when I'm going to say run divorce, means that is an unhealthy influence which I'm providing. I should not. I can provide the guidance. Hey, people got married wrong, people. Means that is a wisdom education. That's a healthy way of educating people. Rather than me telling that go, but that is how it should be. Right? So nobody can enforce nobody on anything. So that means the COVID 19 wearing the mask should never ever be enforced on the population. So, just for enforcing the population to wear the COVID 19 mask alone, Pope Francis have to pay $500,000 trillion, which I'm going to get it for entire population, right? Nothing should be enforced. No nation do not have any birthright. If at all nation have to enforce means, then that needs to be the standards. A nation should be living a higher standard of living, moral standard of living. When the USA is living a sexually immoral Babylonian lifestyle, the United States government lost all the eligibility to enforce any whatever on the civilians. So for how long? The past 365 days or so, the United Nation, which is living a lawless nation, which is a Babylon, the great nation, which is sexually immoral nation, right? It's a non. People never here Europeans they never know. They do not have family values. They don't know what is a family bonding love, because of the structure, organization structure, and the way they have been living in that environment. That's how it's been providing toxins. But that all need to be stopped. I can only provide what are the guidance and how to guide and everything, how to fix it, everything I can provide. I already conveyed that I am the only Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge, because I only know how to fix all those, whatever needs to be fixed. Here in Europe nations, they do not have any family values. No. Right? So, free sex is a normal way of life, like how people brush their teeth every day. That's how it is. They treat women only as a sex machines, and men treat women treat men as a sex machines, right? So, and they mock at each other. Entertainment world or comedy, stand-up comedy, you're going to see all they mock at the men and the women in a different variations. That's not right, right? And nobody have birthright to enforce, nobody. And that means the nation do not have any birthright to enforce COVID-19 mask, which they enforced. I did not like to wear the mask, honestly. It's okay. It is okay if Democrat government or any other population are going to hate me for that, whatever I'm saying. It's just the way I am. You hate me, right? And I will say who I am. This is what I am. And I was not even wearing mask, even during that initial phase. Only later on that it came to the Midwest. And I was not even wearing the mask. And you all know that whatever emotional torture I was undergoing through, and I was in the moving transition mode, and getting things done mode means, and that impact, I was in a homeless mode, pauper mode, beggar mode, right? So, and I was even wanting to get back to India only, pack up things and go, okay, why not get back to India for good? Like that mode only I was in. But then I feel that even in that evil force, it's God's name alone be glorified. So I was stopped, right, because of all these COVID-19 crisis, the traveling ban, everything. I was stuck here. So that itself is the God's plan. I wanted to tell, because that is how I'm providing a testimony right now, right? So I was wondering what all these are happening. I was not when I was going to the grocery and people were wearing masks and people were in a very frightened mode, freaked out mode, but I was not only wearing the mask. And then what did they do? The nation, they enforced. No, they go. I have to wear the mask. So, but then I also already told in that past 365 days, in that me staying in that apartment, I could have count how many days I went out just only for the grocery. It was like 2 weeks or 3 weeks time frame. I already said only 15 to 30 minutes of that drive time. That's all. Just wearing the mask, go to the shop, get things done, come back. That is all. always locked down inside the home. So, um, can you all see how cunning way Pope Francis, Queen of England, why do you all know why they mandated mask? You all should know, my dear fellow mankind. I filed the lawsuit against the Queen of Elizabeth, all the Islam leaders, all the nation leaders, and Department of Health Services like that, right? You all aware of that? In the year 2019 only, I filed the lawsuit, and I should be paid the medical compensation for that. Yeah, that is pending, right? So, this COVID-19 scandal itself is a absolute proof of how the Roman Empire will provide crucifixion. Got it? They enforce that mask on each and every single civilian. That is wrong. Absolutely wrong. And Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brins were only doing their marketing and sales only for that mask. If you see in that pattern of abuse, they were only talking about the mask. And yes, on the behind the scenes, I already said the President Trump administration, even on their whatever foolish tasks they were doing, I am absolutely positive they are aware whatever education I was providing when I was working on that poverty-free earth project, right? So if you would have seen, President Trump was also not comfortable wearing the mask, right? So that means absolutely, I would say all the President Trump supporters also would not have been liking wearing the mask, right? That goes without telling. But then when the nation enforces, that's absolutely wrong. That is deadliest crime after all, right? Uh, then that means what happened? They never even provided masks to the animal kingdom. Can you see the loopholes how they fall in trap that Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks has to resign any second. They never provided mask for any of the animal kingdom, any of the pet animals, any of the zoo animals, any of the circus animals. They all left out. Why? So that's a loophole, right? And in this entire scandal, how many population were created with lot of fear? They were rushing to the grocery stores, right? And they were spending more on the grocery expenses, and in entire year, for every month, if it was average anywhere between 100 and 150 worth of grocery expense, it was doubled and tripled, anywhere between 300 500 for the middle class population. And who became rich out of that? Only the retail giants, who are also the slaves to Pope Francis, which I told you already, right? They made a hell lot of money in that year only. In the last COVID-19 scandal year, we all population got the education. Who became richest? Amazon, Walmart. So Amazon already became rich, and he became more rich because he was the one who were able to provide the online services, right? Whereas the Walmart, Target, they all lost the bus. I provided the education for all the retails at the same template, same workflow process only. But Amazon only listened to me, and the Amazon became richest. Versus the Walmart and Target and all those people, they just ignored my wisdom education. So everything is interrelated. It's all a chain reaction. People were running to the grocery stores, and from my end, even when I was not wearing the mask that time, and then when I was entering to the grocery store, be it Walmart or any other grocery stores, the shelves were all emptied, right? Because the toilet papers, you know what is the scandal behind the toilet paper altogether, right? Yes, Europeans have the toilet paper. That's also for tax mandate. Versus, do you all know that I want to educate the Europeans, which I already did in one of the, when I was in the Target store, the other peers were doing that toilet paper shopping, and I educated them. In India, there is no process called toilet paper. We use only water, right? But then it is a new, absolutely new word to hear for the Europeans. So can you all see on the hygiene level, even there is the intoxicated illusion being enforced. Toilet paper is never in hygienic way after all, right? But then people got fooled and they are paying for that, paying for the toilet paper in the grocery store, right? So it's all created exclusively for tax. They have to pay tax. That needs to be free. Toilet paper needs to be free because it's a basic essential. But then the retails, they also provided more cunning. When doctors were providing cunning on their part, at least retail services could have provided their humanity services. They did not. They provided their cunning way. They showed how they become God during that crisis mode. That's all. So they, even if the toilet tissue paper was in the inventory, they made it sure that it was in an on-demand mode always, to make it fool the population, to get that things more, paying more tax, right? So can you all see how illusionized is the world with filth? And these are all the injections, toxins that was influenced the civilians to get into that adverse marriage types called the domestic lifestyle. When arranged marriage is called as an healthy marriage, why then there are unhealthy arranged marriage, toxic, abusive, unhealthy arranged marriages, right? People are thrown in hell. Then when there is a love marriage, which is very, very fancy tag, people always long to get into that love marriage mode, right? But then everything is scandal in that entire love marriage mode itself. In Europe, in Europe nations, men has to fall down in knees to propose to the women. That itself is wrong, right? That's not love. That's all fake love. Why should a man should fall down in a knee? That's just not right. Right? But then the people were thinking illusion only is the normal way of life, and they have been living it that way, and they were making it as a ritual, and they celebrate that day. When there is a true love, when people are living in a perfect harmony in same frequency wavelength, there is an healthy lifestyle. That's what I'm telling, right? Yes, a man in love with a woman can be in absolutely true love to the extent to the fall down in knees mode, but then at what cost? That's really not nice, right? Because the man is losing his own respect by falling down in knees in front of the women. That's I don't know. That's just me. Maybe you all might even be angry at me, or even, oh no, this lady is such a weird lady, oh no, like that. But that's okay. This is just me, right? Maybe my peers, my peers as in anti-women, they might have their own way of brain processing. This is just my brain process, right? A true love means it is always clean in every single action. That is it. Why all these kind of things? So, but then you all know now that the domestic partners and living together is also created as for the $1 trillion scandal of the Vatican. And they never even knows that it is created by Pope Francis only. So, okay, leave the general population, general public. Now get back to the entertainment population. 100% of the population are enslaved into be the sex workers only. You name anybody. But they are all the holiest population. They are the real saints after all, right? They are the holiest population of the wisdom. And I said I will stand in front of the entire entertainment population, regardless of what state they are in, and I'm going to get medical compensation for them too. And the entertainment population are aware of that. They are the holiest people. They are saints actually. But then society never sees the entertainment population like that, right? And do you all know, beyond getting the highest level of luxury lifestyle which the entertainment population live in, they have to lose their self-respect. They have to lose whatever human processing they have. They have to lose their shame. The women in the entertainment world are considered only as a sex machines by the men, and it is the same way at the around also. So, be it from the production company to Hollywood Oscar awards to television channels to radio channels, you name it, media world, right? It's all filth after all. And they don't, not even one entertainment civilians never knows that they are living in an absolutely filthy world. That is the innocent part. When people don't know, when they are living in an unhealthy lifestyle, that it's an absolute innocence. Holiest population are only entertainment population, but then the society only accuses them, call them with names, right? They shame, they provide a lot of shame to them. That is wrong. That's absolutely wrong. So can you all see? It's all created only for tax mandate only. So at what cost they are getting the salary? At what cost they are getting that all that luxury in the entertainment world? At the cost of they have to provide unhealthy choices, right? It can be nudity of any form or version, right? So can you all see? And they have to provide that entertainment to make the population to be feel happy at the cost of what? Illusion. They are enforced to live that way. See, when people wants to get into the workforce mode, they wanted to. It's again survival mode. Entertainment world is maybe looking good or sounds good, and that's how they make people fool about it. Because the entertainment world people, they provide a show, right? Making to look as if everything's okay mode, but that's their job. They have to act. Once when they are in front of the camera, they have to act, right? And they have to get paid for acting. They have to provide a show. That means whatever that is not there, they have to make sure that it's their mode, kind of an acting mode, at the cost of losing whatever dignity, right? The basic dignity. And once when they are fallen in the trap mode, then they become independent mode. Then the people will can threaten, and then see, you already did this, and why you can't do this mode, and on and on and on and on and on for illusion. And nobody provided any healthy guidance, help to the entertainment world. Billy Graham never provided any help to the entertainment world, right? Because I already said all this Christian population, they were only accusing and cursing all the entertainment world population as if these Christian evangelists are holy when they are not holy. Billy Graham also never got married to the rightful person. Billy Graham also married a wrong person only. So all in the name of love, they were fooling people, right? Because here, when the Europeans have a different definition for love. Sex is only love for Europeans. So they don't even know what is love. That itself is an innocent. That is why Europeans all are innocent. They don't know what is what. They don't know what is poverty. That is innocent. They don't know what is friend. That is innocent. They don't know what is love. That is innocent. They don't know hating and slavery and mocking is disability means that is innocent. So can you all see the innocence on a different level more? And people have been misguided in different directions, right? So yes, this domestic partners has been created only for tax mandate, and they have how he also provided the final illusion. When people are not getting that married mode, they get to have some more extra luxury of the national benefit or something like that, right? Because they don't even have to worry about getting divorce process and that hell mode kind of a thing. So there again, people choose that route because of enforcement only, because of the circumstances only, right? So, so 100% of the entertainment population are the sex workers. So that means if the society, when they are when they are marking the nightclub population or the strip club population or the Las Vegas Sin City population, they should be also more doing the same unbiased for the whole entire 100% entertainment world population as well, right? So there is that biased way of handling and talking. So that is the prejudgmental, stereotyping, population categorizing, right? That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. So, so yes, I will get civil justice for them, and it's already 1 hour and 20 minutes, and I will try to finish this civil justice sign off in another 10 minutes or so. That is that way 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. So, Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created tax mandate COVID-19 type adverse marriage types, as in domestic partners are living together or getting pregnant out of wedlock. And any type of marriage process as of January 26th or 25th, 2021 is invalid and voided and disqualified and must be should be annulled because of the scandal of tax mandate code of abuse law mandate of Vatican Holocaust hell mandate process. It is the innocent civilians worldwide without any awareness fallen trap in scandal of Pope Francis, and 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide enforced to marry only wrong humans worldwide. And it is the deadliest crime to enforce civilians to marry wrong humans. By enforcement, as in Pope Francis, the Satan created toxic mandate law, illusionized enforced to innocent civilians without any awareness only. Entire civilians worldwide married wrong humans or into the toxic relations or into the domestic partners relationship. It is all classified called as the 666 mark of the beast process model. Got it? He enforced, he mandated that each and every single civilian will be tortured to death with a crucifixion, and he provided that in a very cunning way, very meticulously way. He created all this scandal that nobody could figure it out. It was organized, systematic way. It was organized, legalized. The crime itself is made to legalized. So nobody can say that domestic partners is a sin. Why? Because the Department of Children's and Families and Welfare, they provide domestic partner certification. You know, the foolish society, they live by certify. Are you certified as doctor? Then we can talk. Are you certified as an engineer? Then we can talk. Are you certified as a theologian? Then we can talk. Are you certified as a domestic partners? Then we can talk. Means they are providing illusion in the name of family, in the name of children welfare, right? That is wrong. They have to go get into the jail only. They should be happy that I'm not asking them to get out in the volcano, right? Because our innocence is identified, I'm saying get out, get in the jail means I'm just saying only in the for talking and wisdom process. I will only allow the DCF who provided hell after hell to live only free. That is the civil justice for them. Even if they are going to ask the get into the jail, I will say no, live free. That is the civil justice sign up for you. You created the hell. Now live free to live how the people are living in a very healthy mode with my governance. Just watch like that. That is how I provide civil justice to them. Foolish Department of Children and Families. How on the earth they can even certify civilians' lifestyle, right? And they have been fooling. The entire DCF operations is wrong. And they have a division exclusively only for domestic partner certification. That is wrong. Absolutely wrong. There is no excuse to destroy a fellow mankind's precious lifestyle with the misguidance provided, with absolute toxins. So tax agencies is wrong is proved. Everything. So I Vedapriya proved it is $1 trillion errors and is a live proof why USA government operations as a Department of Children and Families in all 50 states of USA is at fault and found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican and DCF in all nations classified as human endangerment, holy marriage law endangerment, should be sealed and shut down only as of today. However, I can bail out the DCF using ethical human standards. They cannot even dare enough to work on to apologize to me, right? Or they lost any eligibility to apologize to all the domestic partners' population because whatever welfare services provided to them is wrong, absolutely wrong. Everything is wrong. So, who is going to pay for the damages done to the innocent population worldwide? That is wrong, right? Nobody can create new brain, nobody can create new heart. Then why even DCF want to even being a slave to the Pope Francis and the Queen of England just because they are the ones who's funding their operations? Why they even want to provide a domestic violence classification code of crime to the innocent population? And people are living in an illusion thinking that, oh, once when they get the domestic partner certification, as if it is a holy marriage certification, they got to live into the foolishness, illusion forever. And once when they get pregnant out of out of wedlock, getting shame after shame mode to be mocked and by the population called as foolish society, educated population, evil population. They have to undergo different trauma of that struggling and battling with the child custody because again there are system software errors, right? It's all created on errors only. You are not married, man and women are not married, so how can they even provide the child custody there? So one side child marriage population, they never got any help from the Department of Welfare Services. That is $1 trillion of errors. On the other side, they are saying, oh, no, we provide a healthy certification wherein you get all these benefits, that even the married population will not even get. So that is the temptation they provide. So that means the foolish people will choose, oh, is it? Oh, why can't we choose that domestic partner lifestyle rather than getting married lifestyle? Means they are misguiding the population. It's in an unhealthy way. So can DCF create human brains for the innocent domestic partners population because of their lives has been destroyed only because of the DCF provided all misguided operations forever? Who is going to pay for the damages? I sure will get the civil justice for them. Who on the earth are the DCF to even dare enough to think on their dream to destroy the fellow mankind's peace and life? They do not have any birthright. DCF, DHS, and all those organizations, they do not have any birthright to destroy the fellow mankind's normal, healthy operations, but they destroyed it anyways, right? Then the civil justice have to be provided and they have to pay the price. So you all got the answer why I filed a lawsuit against all the public sector organizations for $500 billion and why they all joined hands and they created a COVID-19 scandal, right? It's a scandal and they have to pay the price for that as well. So I Vedapriya proved why there are no justice process yet in USA. Tell me how the family law provided a divorce process or the child custody process for the child marriage population, or how they were able to provide child custody and the other divorce processing for the domestic partners who never got married and they had to live together mode and still got pregnant out of wedlock mode. So 3 different layers of deadly scandals was enforced on a tax mandate level and was created on a layer and layer and layer, like a layered cake mode. Pope Francis ingested only poison after poison after poison. Even the justice services world never knew or knows that it was Pope destroyed everything until I provided the education, because that is why I filed the lawsuit, right? So justice teams are aware. We're all on the same page. And I only uh, provided the healthiest wisdom. See, these Department of Health Services foolish people, they will get super mad because I displayed their true scandal to the world by filing lawsuit. And they are going to provide havoc. And absolutely, if they were true people in the Harvard Medical School or Harvard Law School or the in the Department of Health Services, they should have stood in front of me and talked, right? But rather, instead of talking to me in front of me, what they did? They destroyed the total population's peace. That is wrong. Just because I filed a lawsuit against all the nations and Department of Health Services, is this the way to punish an innocent? Is this the way to crucify the fellow mankind? So all along, when people were in panic mode in that COVID-19 mode, for me, I know the truth why all these scandals been provided. So, so I was in a balanced mode, but people were injecting fear to me. But for me, okay, God, I was only educating. God is there. God is in control. God is watching all the injustice. God never created this plague, so this too will pass. This is only I was educating the population who were working on injecting more and more fear for me when I was undergoing through a lot more emotional stress, pain, agony with whatever I was undergoing, dealing with. So, what is Pope Francis going to say about the domestic partner's marriage type? Is he going to say, "Oh no, I don't even know there is a domestic partner that is existing because I always say Hail Mary, Rosary, and I'm busy in doing that Rosary only forever"? Or he should say, "Yes, I am the Roman King Empire king," he wrote. "I am the paganist. I am the Judaism creator. So I only created the cunning hell process to enjoy the suffering of the mankind." He should say only these two answers by default, right? It's called a predictive analysis processing, right? He should say only these two answers. And if either answers he is going to say, either this or that, we won the case. Got it? He has to pay no matter what. Even if he's going to stand upside down, he has to pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian worldwide for whatever destruction he provided. He crucified the innocent population in the name of marriage type called domestic partners. He crucified the innocent population, be it men or be it women, innocent. See, in that entire crucifixion, yes, men are slaughtered, but then when you're seeing that women are always double innocent mode, they are slaughtered as well. They are the scapegoated, right? They are slaughtered like a goat. How when then the slave scapegoat mode, process mode, where the butcher takes a scapegoat, the scapegoat will follow the butcher without knowing anything that butcher is going to butcher the scapegoat. Like very silently, it will follow. That is the innocence, absolute innocence on the goat part. And the innocent is highest level. How even when the butcher is taking the knife to chop the head of the goat or the sheep or the lamb will very patiently, very lovingly, very innocently will bow the lamb's head, and give a pathway for the butcher to butcher the lamb in a nice, easiest way. So, boom, that's all it's done. It died. It'll get tortured and it'll for a few minutes and it'll die. So that is why in true Christianity they say that the lamb that was slain is worthy to be praised. That's a meaning behind it. And there is a power in the precious blood of God, Jesus Christ. That's the meaning behind it. Why that the precious blood? Why? What is the reason? What is the real scope, objective behind that precious blood? How can the precious blood of Jesus Christ can even cleanse all the sins of any civilians of any severity level? How? Why? I will explain that later. Okay? So, Pope Francis destroyed everything. Justice services is wrong. So that means whatever family law justice services United States of America has been providing for past 500 years is wrong. So that means that many years. So for each year, like each day, $500,000 means calculate for 365 days. Then calculate that for 5 years. And then calculate that for 100 years. And calculate that for 500 years. Imagine how much of medical compensation United States of America must provide to the entire population just because they provided only injustice after injustice. That is never a justice provided in the United States. Never. Never ever. And in justice process says what? The civil justice only says never punish innocent. And United States of America has been only punishing innocent. Because that is how the Roman Empire, paganism, Babylon asked the nations to do. Right? Pope Francis only ordered the justice services to provide injustice. Pope Francis only educated the DCF to misguide the population. And nobody knew it was Pope Francis because it was a layer and that layer was hidden. So that Department of Justice in all 50 states, all count by count are absolute times of Vatican, and DCF and DOJ, all nations, must be going to go to the jail only, and I only can bail out. Vedapriya proved it is $1 trillion errors and proving it with a live proof why all USA government operations of Department of Tax, IRS, Treasury in all 50 states is also wrong. Right? When they never even provided any tax processing for the child marriage population, every single act, every single services of treasury, every single software line of code of finance services as in loans or banking services, sectors, stocks and exchange, everything is wrong. US is crashed in pieces right now. President Trump lost eligibility to even ask, sorry Vedapriya for all these errors. He cannot. President Joe Biden cannot apologize to me. I will say first, President Joe Biden, for heaven's sake, just get out of the White House. Enjoy the retirement life. I will step in. I will start to lead the nation and I will guide the nation in the rightful way. And Vedapriya proved why there are no medical providers yet in USA, and why and how and what for Harvard Medical School is handcuffed mode. Right? At least they should have stepped in and guided the national operations in a healthy way. They never did it. So education services agencies also wrong. They are all slaves to Pope Francis. So they are all in survival mode. They are all have to enforce to provide a show. So Department of Health Services, Medical Services in 50 states of USA is at fault and found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican and DCF. So justice as of today, January 2021, is according to the Holy Bible guidelines is Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to civil total population worldwide forever, daily forever. And Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with a salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum. And I'm absolutely positive that USA is going to sign the job offer to me because I want to start the job immediate. And I also want the salary to be paid to me. And I also want that $1 billion to take care of my basic essentials first in the transition mode. Because I've been through a lot of hell, right? So don't you all think that salary, finance aid, all can help me in the timely manner, in the transition mode, right? When I get affordable housing, that will help me, right? At least in whatever I went through. Okay, I'm going to get a home. I'm going to get a new vehicle. That will help me in an emotional level. And I, Vedapriya, to become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations. And I, Vedapriya, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations, to lead the entire medical services worldwide, Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. To become interim leader of USA, for I am the true native Indian tribe and I have the highest impasse. And President Trump should back off silent for the healthy processing way, because every single system is broken. I only can fix President Joe Biden. So you have to resign, no other go, because of the crime. It's deadliest. And then the Lord Ripon building, and USA is Tamil Nadu. Then the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. USA government should pay me the tax-free $1 billion for I eradicated COVID-19 plague faster than any robot and saved the entire human kingdom. And Pope Francis, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, the Satan, must pay tax-free $50,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. Whatever in Holy Bible is only happening right now. It is clearly written that the great Babylon, will crash in pieces. Which nation is Babylon as of today? United States of America. Because it is only ruling all the other nations. The US dollars is only ruling, not Bitcoin or any other things. Right? They can jump in. The Europeans, they were struggling to get their currencies to rule the world, but it was not happening because the USA was only providing their standards. But everything got crashed because of the disorganized way of providing destruction. Everything got destroyed, right? Pope Francis is the root cause, and he have to pay the price. USA nation is not going to allow Pope Francis to live free. Even if I'm going to ask him to live free, he should not be living at the first place. And he's living. That itself is crime. For that crime alone, USA have to pay extra $500,000 trillion. Every single second, Pope is allowed to live free. It is endangered to all nation. That USA should know about that crime already. Okay, so as I've been telling, please be patient. We all are on the same page. We won the case. Okay, so don't worry. And I will get the civil justice for entire human kingdom. And I have to get the job, and I have to get salary, and I have to get that financial aid immediate, right? At least the minimum $30,000 to $50,000 if the treasury can sign it off and direct deposit to me, or even write a check to me immediately using the express delivery postal services. That can help me, because I'm in an absolute finance finance crisis. I don't know what to do. My brain is only thinking about that, right? That is what happened to any civilian who is thrown in a financial crisis. People who have been undergone through the financial crisis knows that. And I'm going to provide a testimony how I was enforced to be in this financial crisis too. Right? And you all will not like it. All the President Trump supporters will not like to hear that. They will just back off. Oh, is it so? Oh, my. Like that. And they will just back off. So this is me. And yes, I provided all the wisdom education, public awareness, and birthrights. What is the birthright? A nation can never ever, forever enforce civilians to wear mask. No. So that means from India to Germany to Ireland to London to Sweden, all nations is going to pay financial medical compensation to the civilians for enforcing civilians to wear the mask. Right? That is going to be $500,000 trillion. So USA got the curse. USA was thinking just because they were mandating the mask, they can get away free with whatever crime they can do. No. When doctors are so cunning enough to provide a long list of medical billing, don't you all think we victims of abuse should also provide the medical claims billing to them and show to them that we can also provide medical claims billing to them, right? It's a super fire slap on the face of the doctors worldwide, after all, right? It is because $500 billion is too much for THS. They'll freak out, they'll faint and pass out immediately on the spot. And President Joe Biden will be wondering what on the earth is happening to the tax services and DHS. Everybody is filing for bankruptcy and shutting down all the government agencies. He'll be shocked because everything is wrong, and I displayed everything is wrong. And when all the government is shut down mode, what on the earth President Joe Biden is also going to do? Even he has to resign and get out of the White House. I have to step in, I have to organize everything correctly, right? So I wish and pray to God that I hope, I'm absolutely, I have to get the job immediately. And I have to get beyond getting the job, the highest priority, I have to get the finance aid immediately, because I don't know what I'm going to say to my landlord. And you all know that even the property insurance, lender insurance, they all are slave only to the Pope Francis. They all are in a survival mode. They all do whatever Pope Francis is asking them to do. So I am stuck up in a 360 degrees mode. I am helpless mode. Right? So I need the help, and USA government only should pay me the financial. I want it that way only. Because that is how the civil justice can be served in front of all the nations, right? London, Ireland, India, every nation will be watching me getting the finance aid. And whoever mocked me, whoever bullied me, or yes, because I am colored skin, I am just an average Jane. I am not that pretty face women, right? Like pretty, like that. Like I'm not in that category. I am just average Jane. And I already said I'm in middle age, I'm marching towards retirement more. I'm obese frame, right? I'm not in that model mode of women category. But that's what people like to see. So I'm saying I'm not in that side. I'm already going through a lot of stuff, and this is how I will be. So when people are mocking me, when people are bullying me, and with whatever state I am, that is how I have to get the job. That is when I have to get all the financial aid. Not after reducing the weight to being the model mode, and then even if you are going to apply white paint on my skin, I am the black skin, I am the brown skin, whatever category you are going to call me, I am that, right? It's not that I do not like makeup. I do like makeup. You know that? Do you all know that? Yes, I do like makeup. I wear a simple face powder, the thing. Usually they put it, and then a basic lipstick and mascara and eyeliner and all those stuff for family gathering like stuff. But on the basic regular thing, that too only when there's a need I wear. But I do like makeup. I am not saying that I do not like makeup like that and all. It's just me. And yes, those products and all the cosmetics for the women, it's all made mandated to be costliest only because of the tax mandate there again. right? It's all a scandal and a scandal and a scandal. So I will be providing about me in down the road one by one, right? So that's pretty much it. So you all take care. Thank you for your time. And it is 1 hour and almost 50 minutes. And yes, the civil justice of this kind of a severity itself, that itself displays the severity of the crime, the deadliest damages done to the human brain levels. So that is why the severity is more. Yes, the other sessions went very fast because that also severity level is highest deadliest crime only. But then it's all pretty straightforward, right? When it is slavery, I have to only address slavery. But when it is coming to these kind of an adverse marriage type, then I have to educate all the traceable, all the root causes, all the toxins, all the filthiness that's been provided worldwide by entertainment world, be it media, anything, and how everything impacts the relationship, human relationships. I have to explain that. So that is why it took this much hour. Okay. So talk to you soon and take care. Bye now. Have a good day.